Oh, look at that beautiful sun, that blue sky. What the heck is this crap? Look at this. I tell you what the... Yeah, we're in the heat of the battle here. In South Dakota, big storm. Shutting down interstates and stuff. Oh, man. You sure get spoiled going down to Texas, I'll tell you that right now. Is everything still on here? Oh yeah. Oh, my favorite, icy winches. My favorite. Yeah. Oh. She's darn cold. That's the wind, I don't know if you can tell or not. Frozen, 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 everything's good. Well, it was bound to happen, I guess. Eventually. Why does it always have to come in one day, though? These guys had nothing. And then boom, one day. North Dakota's getting hit. This is the northern part of South Dakota, if you can follow that one. But yeah. Sun's shining, but I tell you what, whoo! She's frozen out there. Alright. Everything's still on the trailer, so that's a good sign. Just watered the tires, so it just froze there. Yeah. Up ahead is a stop sign. I just stopped here and nobody, like there's nobody coming on this road. Nobody. Took a back road because the interstates are just backed up and crashes and all sorts of chaos. Stick to the back roads, the 2 lanes. They're not as plowed as much. Like this is a skating rink. But you know, winter tires on the semi, good steer tires, and just experienced driver, never have a problem. Never have a problem. So yeah, we're going to that stop sign. It's right there, and we're gonna turn left and go that way, and we're gonna crash here in about, oh, wrong choice of words. We're going to shut down in about an hour in Faith, South Dakota. We're gonna call it a night there, get up bright and ugly in the morning, and drop those motors off in Dickinson. So hope all is well where you are. God, Mother Nature's pissed off today, man. All right, bye for now.